Welcome to our tutorial on extracting partial matches in Excel. We'll explore two efficient methods, a sophisticated formula technique and an automated VBA macro approach, both designed to streamline your data extraction tasks. Imagine you're working with a large dataset, and you need to extract all instances where a specific substring appears within your data. Manual extraction could be a daunting task, but with the right tools, it becomes manageable. First up, we'll use a powerful formula that combines the capabilities of index, aggregate, row, and search functions to dynamically extract partial matches. We'll use as the formula. This complex formula is designed to intelligently search for and retrieve values that contain a specified substring. Let's break it down. The aggregate function within our formula is set to return the nth smallest value that isn't an error, which is perfect for filtering out non-matches and extracting only the valid ones. The aggregate function inside the formula uses an array formula to return the row number of each match. This row number is then used by the index function to return the actual matched value from the specified range. Enter the formula into the first cell where you want the results to appear. Then, use the autofill feature to copy the formula down the column. This will populate the column with additional matches as you go. For those who prefer a more automated solution or are dealing with a very large dataset, we'll write a VBA macro that can efficiently extract partial matches with just a few clicks. To start with the VBA macro, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. This integrated development environment is where we'll write our macro to automate the extraction process. Copy the provided VBA code and paste it into the new module. We'll create a new module within the VBA editor and write a VBA macro that loops through the data range, checks for the presence of the search string in each cell, and then outputs the matches to a new range, simplifying the process significantly. Click File and then click Save in the VBA editor to save your project. It's important to save your work to ensure the macro is available for use. Close the VBA editor to return to your Excel workbook. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. Select Extract Partial Matches from the list of available macros. Click Run to execute the macro. When prompted, enter the keyword you want to search for. And click OK. A dialog box will appear for you to select the range of cells where you want to search for the keyword. Click and drag to select the range or click OK to use the currently selected range. The macro will search through the specified range for cells containing the keyword and list them in the next column, starting from the first row. After the macro finishes running, a message box will appear confirming that the partial matches have been extracted. Congratulations! You've successfully learned two methods to extract partial matches in Excel. The formula-based approach is great for one-off tasks, while the VBA macro is perfect for automating repetitive extractions, especially with large datasets. Thanks for watching our tutorial on extracting partial matches in Excel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and in-depth guides to enhance your productivity.